Hello everyone. The MBUX Hyperscreen reinvents how we interact with the car. It's stunning on the outside, super intelligent on the inside. It's the nerve center that connects everyone in the car with the world inside and outside. What you see behind is what makes this new level of user interaction so special. All the functions and features like charging, entertainment, phone, navigation, social media, connectivity, massage, and so on are clearly visible and available, fully connected and adapted to one another as well as to the user. It's part of the Internet of Things and combines supercomputing power with artificial intelligence to create a totally unique user experience. Our goal was to create a UI that gives our customer direct, intelligent access to all the functions they need in any given situation. In other words, customer-centric user interface. It has more screens, is even more intuitive, fully integrates the front seat, passenger, and all others. Its connectivity enables new forms of interactivity and individuality. During development, we looked closely what people need and how they interact with the car, especially with an electric car. It was important for us to create an interface that shall not add distraction or complexity. The result is the next level of fully intuitive user experience. Have a look.
Life is full of great moments. And now all of these moments are at your fingertips. More intuitive, more accessible, and more innovative than ever. Thanks to a whole new in-car user experience. The all-new Hyperscreen with zero-layer function.
There is a lot going on in there, right? The Hyperscreen offers amazing functionality. You have apps, vehicle functions, navigation, climate control, and entertainment. The list goes on. We call it zero-layer principle. It brings all the apps and functions into the fluid, proactive user interface. It uses artificial intelligence to make sure that the functions you need in any situation are automatically there for you. You have your own personal home screen with everything you require at your fingertips. That means less interaction, more convenience based on intelligence in here. You can activate the functions you need from one screen. The all-important navigation map is always visible in the center. Beneath it, there are controls for the phone, entertainment, or the features that suits the specific situation. The system knows what you want and need, and you know what? That's why the zero layer is based on emotional intelligence. Why did we do it this way? We have been analyzing our customers' feedback since the launch of the first MBUX in 2018. 80% of the use cases are related to navigation, media, and phone calls. So we have made these easy to access through the so-called zero layer. The system learns with AI and adds more individual functions on the top as it's required, or places them in the background if they are not being used. In this zero layer of Hyperscreen, MBUX also uses AI to process data sets such as position, temperature, and time. In its continual data analysis, the intelligent MBUX may notice that you are on a long journey, or that you sometimes activate massage feature on certain routes or at certain times of the day. It simply offers a massage on the so-called zero layer on the main screen. Its intelligence also assists you with route planning and charging to help you get most out of your electric mobility experience. Lots of innovation is focused very much on the driver. But MBUX has something more for everyone in the car. There are innovations for all passengers, but especially for the one in the front, because the front seat passenger has their own screen incorporated into the Hyperscreen. We call it co-driver display. The content of this screen does not interfere with any other driver's actions. However, the passenger can help the driver with the things like navigation, music settings, or something else. And they can also see all the relevant vehicle information. And there is even more in store for passengers. There are entertainment services with market-specific features. At the front seat of the passenger can share content with anyone else in the car. In some markets, it's even possible to watch the TV. On one side of the passenger car, passenger can see and watch the videos while traveling by using the Bluetooth headphones, while on the other side, intelligent camera-based locking concept prevents the driver from looking at the passenger display to avoid distraction. And before you feel too sorry for the driver, they get a pretty attractive view too, albeit less distracting. It has an exclusive EQ design and the same easy-to-use interface as it was introduced with the S-Class and together with the full augmented reality. So just to round it off, the Hyperscreen is the natural progression of the MBUX, taking it to the next level of sophistication and ease of use. The principle of the zero layer is a completely new and super intelligent way of achieving seamless human-machine interaction. And the innovative use cases enhance the EQ experience for the driver and all the passengers. It had never been about creating something bigger, instead creating something innovative, valuable, and intelligent for our customers. We created specific screens with the perfect ratio of size and functionality to provide the greatest benefit to the user. This is customer centricity and digital thinking of 2021.